All right, welcome back. We go to a breaking news development coming in connection with the Sambal Mosque row, and which is that the survey report which was sought by a court has now been submitted. In fact, the Archaeological Survey of India, it seems, has submitted the report to the Chandosi court in Sambal district. And for more on that, let's cut to our reporter Sahil on live, who's joining us live from Sambal, in fact, in Chandosi. Sahil, what more can you tell you? When was this report submitted? Any idea what the report contains?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल, शाही जामा मस्जिद की जो सर्वे रिपोर्ट है चंदौसी कोर्ट में सबमिट कर दी गई है और सूत्रों के मुताबिक एएसआई रिपोर्ट में पता चला है जिन 2 दिनों के अंदर एएसआई की टीम ने मस्जिद में जाके सर्वे किया और उस दौरान 4.5 घंटे की वीडियोग्राफी की गई। इसके अलावा मस्जिद के अंदर लगभग 1200 के आसपास जो है फोटो लिए गए हैं। साथ ही एक कुआं है ये भी पता चला है जिसका आधा हिस्सा मस्जिद के बाहर की तरफ है जो कि ढका हुआ है और आधा कुएं का हिस्सा मस्जिद के अंदर है। साथ ही 50 से ज्यादा फूलों के निशान भी जो है एएसआई की टीम को मिले हैं। साथ ही जब एएसआई की टीम की में ये भी पता चला है कि पुराना कंस्ट्रक्शन और नए कंस्ट्रक्शन के जो कुछ अहम जो सबूत हैं वो भी एएसआई की टीम को मिले हैं। तो इससे बात कहीं ना कहीं एएसआई की रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक ये बात जाहिर होती है कहीं ना कहीं कि मस्जिद से पहले यहाँ पे हरियत मंदिर था और आज इस रिपोर्ट को चंदौसी कोर्ट में सबमिट किया जा चुका है, क्योंकि 2 दिनों के अंदर सर्वे रिपोर्ट सर्वे की टीम वहां पे पहुंची थी सर्वे करने, जिस दौरान हिंसा भड़की थी और हिंसा के बाद से ही एएसआई की टीम जो थी वहां पे जाना बंद हो गई थी। लेकिन आज चंदौसी कोर्ट में दोनों पक्षों की तरफ से वकील पेश हुए थे और उस दौरान जो थी पुलिस की निगरानी में एक बंद लिफाफे में जो सर्वे रिपोर्ट थी वीडियोग्राफी सीडी के साथ जो है वो कोर्ट में सबमिट की जा चुकी है।
All right, we are beginning with a breaking news development on the temple demolitions. A standoff ongoing in New Delhi, which is that the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has alleged that LG VK Saxena is demolishing temples, in response to which the LG has now hit back, saying that it is the Aam Aadmi Party which is indulging in communal politics, and that in fact Kejriwal himself had ordered demolition of as many as 9 temples way back in 2023. So who's talking about what? Let's have a look at the details. What we are getting to here is the LG has now responded, and we have Gopi Shah reporting live on this story. Let's go to her. Gopi, the latest is that the LG has now hit back, writing a letter suggesting that 9 temples were demolished on the instructions of Arvind Kejriwal. What's the position like on both the sides now? Where is the standoff heading?
Well, in fact, it was 2 days back that Atishi had written a letter to the LG saying that he was the one to launch this demolition drive of temples, churches and mosques on November 22nd, to which now the LG has responded saying that these are cheap political tricks which are being played by the Aam Aadmi government since we are just round the corner, assembly elections are just round the corner. They are using the political tricks and gimmicks, and they are in fact developing a communal tone. To this, today we have in fact received a letter from the LG. He has written that it was Arvind Kejriwal in fact who had given this order in the month of February in 2023, where 9 different temples were going to be demolished after he was the one to pass that particular order when he was the chief minister. So this is what we have been learning. While since past few days we have also been seeing how there has been a political slugfest which is going on in Delhi over various issues which includes the release of Imam's salary, as well as the Pujari Granthi Yojana, which has also been launched by the Aam Aadmi Party government. So in whole the communal tone for the Delhi Assembly elections is set, and we are just a few days away from the elections to happen. Back to you.